Here's the inspiration of the day. A feathered friend. So I'm becoming a docent at the zoo, and today we're learning about birds, uh, all the avian family. And I'm going to tie this in with nervous system regulation, I promise. It's so windy today at the beach, but I'm here. So in class today, we were learning about how birds regulate. And they're under not constant, but they're under a lot of stress. And they have to orient a lot and scan and view. And I was thinking, well, that means their nervous system must be completely shot out. But it's actually the opposite. So here's a did you know? Fun, like, this is really cool. We should be more like birds. They constantly, if you watch them, they will shake. Right? They'll escape prey, so they'll flap their wings, land, shake, sing, and within seconds, they've regulated their nervous system. Okay? Think about that for a minute. Humans, on the other hand, see threat, feel threat, and the brain kicks in. And then we ruminate and we cause more stress in the body. And then sometimes that rumination sticks in the body. And so we cause this loop of stress. So in class today, I was like, wow, we really need to take on this information from our friendly. Oh my goodness. I see my kitchen's going. Okay, good. Oh my God, you're gonna be right over me. So cool. We really need to take heed from these great birds and how they drop into their parasympathetic nervous system. They shake. Again, they orient. They use their vocal um, cords to calm down their system. This hat's not working today. So, my message today is be like a bird. If something is stressing you out, if you are feeling unregulated, chat, shake, and orient. Uh, because really, it's like, what do you have to lose? You know, nobody's going to be watching you. You can just act like a bird. Yeah, pretty cool, right? I'll come back with another fun fact maybe tomorrow. Today, we are learning about many birds, uh, the cassowary, and the penguins. And I think one of my favorites, which I had no idea was going to be one of my favorites, is the condor with a wingspan of 10 feet, which is incredible. 10 feet. Imagine that. And again, talking about their nervous system, they they don't they don't think about, oh my God, I can't fly. I'm so heavy. They use the current of the air to let them drift. What? So cool. So, how do we bring that information into our nervous system practice? You can think about drifting. So, a lot of times when I'm teaching, when I drop people down into a different state, I'll say drift in, drift out. So, maybe you can use that kind of lingo when you meditate next time, is this idea of drifting into a different state, just like the Andean condors. So cool. Uh, I have to get back to class. I have a couple more minutes. I'm going to take you out to the ocean and take a breath with you. Thanks for being with me. Let's take a breath here. Inhale and look way out to the horizon. Take a breath. Inhale and exhale. So good. And just consider how you can take this information and use it for your nervous system. Be like the birds. All right, friends. I'll catch you next time. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great moment. Take care.